Okay guys, so after creating blog post section, we will create this contact us section. To create a contact us section in your WordPress page using Divi, first you need to log into the dashboard or simply go to your page settings. Now here you can see I have added this blog post section. Now under this section, I will add contact us section. For this I will click on this plus button and add a regular section. Now before adding any row, I will simply edit the section settings. So I will click on this gear button. First of all, I will go to background and I will change the background color. I have selected this background color. Now I will go to design. In spacing, I will give it 80 pixels of top and bottom padding. Now I am done. Now I am done with this set. So I will click on this tick button and then I will add a row. Here you have structure of rows. I will select a row with 2 columns. Now before adding module, I will edit the rows. So I will click on this gear button. Now here, I will not edit any design of the combined row settings. Just I will go to second column. In background, I will give it white background. Now in design, I will go to spacing and give it to 60 pixels of top and bottom padding and 40 pixels of left and right. Now I will go to border and give it 4 pixels of rounded corner. Now I am done. So click on this tick button. Again click on this tick button and add a module. So before adding any module, first of all I will go to my demo site. Here you can see at the top I have this contact us. Under this I have an heading, text module, description about our contact us form, and here I have used 2 toggles. So first of all I will add this contact us. So I will go to my page. Here I will click on this plus button and add a text module. Here I will type contact us. Now I will go to background and I will add this background color. Now I will go to design. In text, first of all I will change the font to Roboto. Now I will make it uppercase. I will change its color to blue. Now increase its size to 16 pixels and line height to 1.8 em. Now go to spacing. I will give it 8 pixels of top and bottom padding and 15 pixels to the left and right. Now go to border and I will give it 3 pixels of rounded corners. Now I will go to advanced, custom CSS, go to main element and paste this code here. You can find the CSS code in the description below. Now click on this tick button. Now in next I will add a heading. So I will click on this plus button and again I will add a text module. Now here you have to add your heading. So I will select the text and paste your text here. Now select the HTML tag of H2. Now go to design, heading text and click on H2 tab. Now first of all I will change the font to Roboto. Now I will make it underlined and change its color to dark black. I will increase its size to 28 pixels and line height to 1.3 em. Now I will go to spacing and give it bottom margin of 10 pixels. Now go to animation and I will give it a fade animation. Now click on this tick button. Hover over here, click on this gray plus button and add another text module. Select the text module. Now here you can add your description. I will use a dummy text here. Now go to design, text. I will change the font. Select the font. Now I will increase its size to 16 pixels and line height to 1.8 em. Now I am done with this section, so I will click on this tick button. Now take a look at demo site. Here you can see under these paragraphs we have these 2 toggles. To add toggle, go back to your page Hover over here, click on this plus button and add a toggle module. Here is the toggle module, select it. Now in the settings, first of all I will change its title, paste the title here. Now I will change its description. I will use a dummy text here. Now in state, you can make its default state to closed or open. I will leave it to the closed. You can change its background color, but I will not go with this, so I will go to design. Here in icon, I will change the closed icon color to black and also black for open icon color. Now scroll down, go to toggle. Here I will use open toggle background color white and closed toggle background color also make it white. Now I will go to title text. In H5 I will change the font to Roboto. And I will also change its color to dark black. Now scroll down, go to spacing. I will give it bottom margin of 15 pixels and the padding of 18 pixels to the top and bottom. Now I'm done with this section, so I will click on the stick button. I will add another toggle, so I just simply duplicate this toggle, go to second toggle and click on this gear button, change the title, and I will leave other settings including description. You can change description if you want, and click on this tick button. Now take a look again on demo site. Now this section was completed. I have added this contact us, heading, description and toggles. Now in next I will add contact form. So go back to your page, click on this plus button and add a contact form. Now here you can change the text. You can add title, success message. I will just simply change the submit button text. I will make it send now. Now here is email. You can add email address and message pattern here. You can add a redirect by enabling it. When the message successfully sent, the user will redirect to your specific URL. Here you can add spam protection. You can use a spam protection service and use basic captcha. Here you can see the basic captcha, but I will disable it. You can change the background color, but I will not change the background color. Just go to design, in fields. Here I will change the field background color. I will select this background color. Now scroll down. Here field font, I will select Roboto. Now scroll down, go to button. Here I will use custom style for button. Click enable. Here is the button text size. I will make it 16 pixels. I will change button text color to white. Now here is the button background color. I will make it blue. Now scroll down, go to the button border color, click on global and then click on blue. Now scroll down. Here you can change the icon. I will click on it and select this icon. You can show icon. Here you have option to show icon on hover or by default. Let's see, when I hover over it, the icon will appear. This look much better, so I will leave it there. Now scroll down, go to the border and add 4 pixels of rounded corners. Now I will go to advanced, custom CSS. Scroll down, here in the contact button I will add this CSS code. Now everything is done, so I will click on this tick button. Now I will click on these 3 dots and save the page. Now the page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down to the end of the page. Here you can see I have added this contact us section with the contact us, a heading, description, toggle and a contact us form. In next video I will show you how to add this book a call section in your WordPress page using Divi. So keep following our upcoming videos to get to know how to create a full page website using Divi Page Builder.